Hey everyone, so today is the last day of our 5-day YouTube Makeover Challenge, and I hope at this point you're starting to feel really comfortable with the way that your YouTube channel is beginning to look. And you should be proud because you've put in a lot of work this week, and today we're going to put in that last element that's really going to make your channel stand out. And I know some of you are going to be scared today because I am going to ask you to create a video. And this video is going to welcome your ideal client to your channel. Now, the important thing to notice is on my channel, you're going to notice that I specifically am creating videos for tutors and not my online tutoring business. This is for a particular reason, right? I am using my YouTube channel to help online tutors start their own online tutoring business. If I mix the two together, it becomes complicated and I may lose my subscribers. And I really want to keep my message very clear when I am creating my channel. So I do let people know who my channel is for. And that's going to be really important. I'm going to put a link down below so that you guys can see the video that I'm talking about and you can refer to that. But I want you guys to think about who is your ideal client, and this is the information that you want to share with them. Who they are, why did you create your channel? What's the specific reason? Because your why is going to help them decide if they want to be part of that. Do they want to be able to take in the content that you are creating? You also want to let them know what kind of content they can expect from you. And also, the last thing you want to let them know is how often are you going to publish content? Are you going to do it weekly? Are you going to do it daily? I have put down, even though I actually put out content much more often now than weekly, for a while I was making sure I did it weekly. And now I've decided I really want to make YouTube a part of my everyday strategy. And so I am putting out content a lot more often than just weekly. But this is a good thing because if they tune in every single Monday, they're going to see new content from me, and not just one video, but several videos. So they'll be able to go on and they'll be able to watch them all. So what do we specifically do inside of our video? I'm glad you asked. You want to make sure, A, that you are dressed in a professional manner that really helps you stand out who you are. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you have good lighting. So the lighting that I have for my videos is the kind of lighting that photographers use. Now, you don't have to use photographer lighting. You just want to make sure that your face is well lit up and so is your background. It doesn't look like one or the other is really like dark. This is going to help really make you stand out as a professional. You do not have to have a professional background like I have. I have right now a green screen behind me. You do not need to have a green screen behind you, but if you wanted to utilize the green screen effect, you could definitely learn how to utilize that. And Zoom is what I'm doing my recording in right now for this video, and it actually allows me to put a background in there so that I always have a professional looking background, and it just gives a really good overall feel to the message that I'm trying to put on out there. And since I'm a reading tutor, of course, I like to have books behind me. The other thing to keep in mind when you're creating your video is that if there's anything that you don't like in your video, you can edit it out. Absolutely. I use the tool. It is called WeVideo. Some people like to use the tool Filmora. Filmora has a few more bells and whistles. Some people like the pricing strategy better of Filmora. I've always used WeVideo, and so that's what I'm going to stick with as I explain how to use that in here for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to upload the video that you create, whether you create the video in Zoom or you create the video on just on your computer with whatever tools you have available to you, or you create your video on your phone. You'll be able to upload that on into WeVideo. Let me show you how to do that. In order to record, all you have to do is click on this button up here. It says Media, and then you're going to click on this little plus button to upload. And since I did mine in Zoom, I'm able just to search real easily on my quick access. And I just search Zoom. I just type that on in, and it just like pops on up the last video that I created in the second spot. So all I do is then open it. And now it is importing on into the, right on into here, which is great. After that is done importing, I then have the ability to edit it. To edit, I'm going to go to the dashboard and I'm going to click on Create New. I can open up my video. I'm going to go to Project Media. I'm just going to go right here. This is the last one, and it's already gone on in. So I can bring this down. I always bring that. Oh, yeah, it's still uploading. I'll bring this one down. I'm going to bring this one down to video 1 here. I always have a beginning that I have to crunch out of here. So what I can do to see where I start talking, I just pull that back just a little bit. Right there. I know I'm going to start talking right there. So I'm going to click on the scissors. I then delete it and I just pull it back, and that's what will start. Now, if I want to add anything right on into the beginning, I can. Know that anything that you add on top, you have this video 2, anything you add on top is going to show on top of this main video. So if you want to have something play on top of it, like another video, you can, and people won't even see you anymore. They'll just see that other video, but they'll still hear your voice. Or if you want to add on there a like who you are and what you tutor, you can do that as well. So to do that, I can choose which one I want. Maybe I want, this is a nice looking one. I can put this here. To edit that, all I do is I put Joanne Kaminski, and I can put online reading tutor, and done editing. Now I can stretch this out for as long as I want. I can stretch it out for the whole entire video. I could stretch it out for just while I'm on there. See, I start sharing my screen here, so that would be weird if I still had Joanne Kaminski showing on up. I don't have to have my name on there, but have it on there as long as you want. So here it is. The other thing that you can do is you can add any music that you want to add. So to add music, you click on the little music icon and you can choose any free music that you like. You pull it on down into your video, and then I always move my sound down to 5 for the video music so that my voice can still be heard really well on top of the music. And the music really then just sounds like background music versus overpowering too loud music. So that's pretty much how I create my video. And then I will click finish. I upload it on into YouTube, and it looks fantastic. It looks really well professionally done versus if I just like went on my camera and I just started doing a video. So it gives it a little bit more of that little touch. So that's how we create our videos. So that's our goal today, you guys. You're going to create that video that welcomes people to your channel. I'm going to show you something that's really cool, because the first time that somebody comes to your channel, they have the ability to see that video. So all you have to do is hit Customize Channel, and you're going to be able to select this as a video that people see the first time that they come to your channel. And I think that's really powerful, because then you get to choose the message that they see when they come to your video, come to your channel for the first time. So right here it says 4 new visitors and 4 returning subscribers. So I want returning subscribers to see the latest video, but then I want new subscribers to see that trailer that I've created. I can change, if I click on this little pencil, I can change the trailer or I can remove a trailer, but this really helps to be able to, you can have whatever it is that you want to show up there. So that is our goal today. Create that video, upload it, and then share it. Once you have this done, you guys, share it with us. I know this one may take you more than a day to create. This one may take you a week to create, and that's okay. But definitely share that with us. And inside of our Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors, as soon as you have that created, so that we can go to your channel, we can like your channel, and we can like your very first video for you as well, to begin to help you get more views to that video. August 27th, we are going to have a YouTube conference. And this is where we are going to be really diving deep into how do I use YouTube as a marketing strategy to get online tutoring students? How do I create content that people want to watch that will go viral? How do I create content, and how do I create people that want to constantly come back to my channel? What types of videos should I create? We're going to be answering all those types of questions. And the best part is this conference is only $1. So you'll be able to come on in and join us, and you're going to get to meet the community of Insider Secret Club members, along with some other people in the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors, and really begin to start making connections with people that can help grow your online tutoring business. So come join us. I'm going to put a link inside of the description here, so definitely click on that link, and I'll see you guys soon.